Sam is out for James Dillon. I'm going down to the basement. Let's go. Go see what's going on down here. Gotta find more projects. I won't be working on this today, but this is a really sharp piece. This is an Eastlake chair. This chair belonged to the former governor of New Jersey. His name was Harold G. Huffman. Harold G. Huffman was the guy that went to go visit Hauptmann. Hauptmann was the German who was accused of kidnapping the Limburg baby. Huffman didn't believe that he did it. He couldn't convince anybody that Hauptmann didn't do it. Anywho, this chair was given to me by my uncle many years ago, like 25 years ago, and I still haven't gotten to it. Doesn't need much other than to be reupholstered, but man, it's a beautiful chair. See what else is going on. Turn on the lights, sweet darling, 'cause tonight, blah, 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 blah. This was my father's boat. It's an RC boat, remote control. He used to ride this around the lake at Kennedy Park in Sayreville, New Jersey. Many years ago. This was given to him by a co-worker. He used to work at Johnson & Johnson in New Brunswick, New Jersey. This boat has seen better days. Look at it. The motor's not connected anymore. This was a cool boat when it was all together. It fell apart because it ended up in a shed that wasn't very well insulated and moisture got in and everything just kind of went to seed. So here we are out in the sunlight. Finally, it's a nice day. Like I said, this was my father's boat. He passed away in 1995, and no one's messed with this boat since he messed with this boat. So I'm the first person touching this, probably, since he put it down in there. I'm just gonna sand it down and paint it, put it back together again, make it pretty. That's it. My dad's old boat hasn't been on the water in over 25 years, I think. And it's floating, solid as a rock. I left the inside exactly the way it was, untouched. I just cleaned it up inside, vacuumed it up, with all the electrical tape and everything, that's all there. As my dad left it, I thought I should leave it that way. My daughter Darian, she sculpted these beautiful lifesavers. And Sophie is decorating with flowers. Isn't that pretty? Thank you for watching.